Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about 8 parts of speech which are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Noun. Noun is the name of thing or an idea. For example, rock, Bilal, cat, democracy, birthday, gravity, whatever. Any kind of name. Name of place, animal, thing. Name. Name is noun. Then we have pronoun that we use to replace a noun. Pronoun we always use at the place of noun. When we begin any paragraph, we don't repeat noun again and again. So instead of that, we use pronoun. For example, it, I, them. Verb. There are two types of verb, action verb and linking verb. So the word action verb shows an action. For example, run, jump, read, or a state of being like linking verb is, was. Then we have adjective. Adjective describes the noun, how it looks or feels. For example, big, big house. Small, small bag. Red shirt. Then we have adverb. Adverb tells how an action occurs. For example, quickly, slowly, carefully. Usually, adverb in the sentence comes with ly, but not always. And also it describes adjective or another adverb in the sentence. Preposition. Preposition is a word used to link noun, pronoun, or phrases to other words within a sentence. For example, at, on, in, over, for, beside. There are many prepositions that you have to learn. Conjunction. Conjunction are the words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. Now you must be thinking, what are phrases and clauses? So I will make a video about phrases and clauses very soon. There are two kinds of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions are fanboys. We used to call them fanboys so that it would be easy to remember. And, but, for, so. Subordinating conjunctions are more than fanboys, and these are many, so you have to memorize all. Some of the examples we have after, along with, beyond, etc. etc. Then we have interjection. Interjection are words used to express strong feeling or sudden emotion. They are included in a sentence, usually at the start, to express a sentiment such as surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, or enthusiasm. These are, for example, aha, bravo, oops, ew, hooray, etc. etc. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.